So what is up guys, it's your boy Bam. Another day, another lift. Let's go to the gym, let's go! So ito nga palang ginagamit kong mic. Sponsor to ni Kuya Pat. Pag napanood mo to kay Pat, I love you. You're the best. Nga pala, hindi mo mawala sa akin ng warm up. Kahit gaano pa ako katagal abutan. Basta, alam mo yun, pag feeling ko nakapag warm up ako ng ayos, ramdam ko na agad na magiging maganda yung flow ng workout. Kasi nga, warm up na. So, ang target pala natin ngayon is upper. Nagko-consist siya ng chest, back, shoulders, biceps, triceps, yan. Warm up pa lang to. Pero grabe na ikaw, isa binibigay sa akin. Isa sa mga primary na warm up ko. Yeah. Dahil nararamdaman ko dito yung tawag dito, stretch, yung 6 minute, then I'll start doing dips, 5 to 10 reps lang siguro. Pinaka-last, medyo gusto ko siyang ibabad ng konti. Angat ng datan para maramdaman ko yung blood flow. So, proceed na tayo dito sa next warm up, which is dead hang and semi pull ups. And yeah, dead hang, scapular pull, then pull up. 3 reps lang ng pull up. 1, 2, 3. Then hold ng konti. Baba. The stretch and easy go. Kapala kapag upper day ako, ito 2 sets lang sila. Then rep range lang. Ang first workout ko ay incline chest press using Smith machine. Let's go. 6 reps. 4, 5. Last one. Last one. Alright. Kahit medyo may bounce, na-survive ko naman. 6 reps for 2 sets. Let's go. So, proceed naman tayo dito sa next workout. Pec deck. So, matagal-tagal din siya nawala. Mga 5 days. So, subukan natin kung kaya pa. 8 to 10. Alright, let's go. Last one. I think counted siya natin. So, last set na tayo ng ating dips. Ito palang dips ay great for building chest, triceps, and strong shoulders. Dahil compound exercise siya. So, all in one go. Last one. Make it time. Wow. So, katatapos lang ng chest program natin. Quick pump check lang muna. Weighted pull-ups plus 20 kg ulit. Let's see kung makaka-8 reps tayo dito. Kasi last time na nag 15 ako, nakaka-reps ako ng 8 to 10. Tingnan natin dito kung kaya natin maka 6 to 8. I think counted siya ng 8. Second workout tayo for back. Second to the last. Just supported row. Last two. 7. Last workout na for back. Let's go. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. So, yun. Tapos ng back workout. Back pump naman. Ito sa cable lateral raise, inuuna ko yung weaker side ko, then same lang ng intensity tsaka reps dun sa stronger side. Na pala dito, 1 set na till failure. Dito focus sa movement, iwasan yung mag shrug para hindi mapunta yung tension sa traps. Next workout, seated alternating curl. 1 set na ulit till failure. Let's go. Make it 10. 8. 8. 9. Let's go 10. Last one. Let's go. Let's go, last workout for this session. Try to push down till failure. And that. So, yan. Dulit tatapos yung ating vlog. See you on the next lift. Bum lift out.